Welcome to Jamaica. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy. Jamaica is paradise. Jamaica nice. Jamaica is fun, can't done. Jamaica is plantain, breadfruit, jerk chicken, dasheen, chocho, and when mango season come around, the choices are so great and they're so nice that people just can't wait for them to ripe. Jamaica is children playing in the streets. Jamaica is dancing at home, party, dance, or church. It is the home of talent where great icons are born, like Usain Bolt and Bob Marley. There's so much to discover about us as one big Irie family.
Mix it on.
I decided that it's not going to be just blood-related family experiences.
The community
Yes.
is family.
Things Jamaican. Promoting brand Jamaica.
Time me do that. 60-year-old boy. Nobody can mash them out. We have to say for yourself. Big boy like a you.
You know you could have win but
See it here? So you go, you know, when gas done, you see me, sort it out, same way. Wow, smoke about me in my eye. This is how Caribbean people cook. Come.
You got some kind of family here. Just giving you all something. So you are okay. Face them and okay when they did it for you. Save your problem. You know like what you know about. I don't know. Save it. You know about
You get left.
Neil, look, Neil!
Mix yo, mix. Mix the tune, mix the tune. Mix the tune, yo, mix the tune. Mix. DJ Jabi in the house. DJ Jabi in the house. DJ Abby in the house. And no more rat and no more mouse. DJ Jabi, yes, in the house. Mix the youth, mix the tune, youth. Mix it, yeah, mix it, fix it. Mix the tune, youth. DJ Jabi, mix the tune. Yeah, mix the tune.
And nothing can stop me. Making money every day like taxi. Y'all I roll my dump for some bitch.
It's a Van Dyke.
Oh, we do it like night, just ask me go. And nothing can stop me. Making money every day like taxi. Y'all I roll my dump for some bitch up off a ranch. Oh, we do it like night. Alright then. And the go like the green light. 4 or 5 terrace, yeah, we all live the dream life, the team life. Roll out the Benz if I do water, then a ski bike. Calling on me bed, skin out, ready to get the steel pipe. Yeah, so we gonna leave. World Cup no corner league. When me crush the road, me dash a boy like marijuana. Sing new girl text me say
3, 2, 1. Everything changed when the Fire Nation attacked. Only the Avatar, master of all 4 elements, could stop them. But when the world needed him most, he vanished.
Come on, mama, say! Jesus!
it is very rare to find a Jamaican child who did not love dumplings, especially in their soup. Margie just loved food and she welcomed the shopping experience therefore. Margie had a unique way of memorizing shop lists. 6 pounds of sugar and 1 pound of rice, a pound of cornmeal, 3 pounds of chicken and 2 pounds of rice. She sang the items all the way to the shop. Little girl, what is this? No sugar, cornmeal, chicken and rice I tell you to buy. And why you take so long come back? Daddy asked when Margie presented a scandal bag with the items. Margie stopped with Francine and ran for about a...
Yes.
Like it. I like
All
it.
right. Kenisha Gentles, call me name, she said.
Watch him now. Sure. Watch this boy just a star for me. You know me like him, but me can't make him say. Me walk and wheel it and pass him every day. And I hope this boy one day will come in here. Cause my mother said, no, make nobody star for you. And if them call around the corner, you know you're not figure. But when we see him tight pants below him waist and him at one side and him cute brown face, I'll do him body black. Me no matter that, come love to see him at him favorite spot, right on me smarty shop on the piece of aqua black and a drink bag juice and 2 tigers. But me and you, between me and you, talk the truth, see him picture here, don't he look like Orlando Bloom? But boy, this boy just a star for me. You know me like him, but me can't make him see. Me walk and I wheel it and I pass him every day and I wish this boy would have just called me name. Boy, just call me name.
All right, Kenisha.
A nice bag of Jamaican contradiction.
I think so.
4.25.
I hear your 4.25 and I raise your 4.52.
8 and a half. 8 and a half. We're not confused.
Your message.
So,
Use a calculator.
Kenisha is winning. Last one.
Wasn't that something? We've come to the end already. Time flies when you're having fun. I am happy that you enjoyed this video. So please just give it a like. Press the thumbs up button right there. Yeah, right there. And if you have not yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button and the bell beside it so you can see all my videos as soon as I post them. Thank you so much for stopping by the One Big Ari family. Please share this video with your friends home and abroad. And I'll see you in the next video. Don't be afraid to ask about terms that you don't understand and we'll be sure to explain. Thank
Can't stop me, making money every day like taxi. Y'all around me don't stop my bitch.
It's a Van Dyke.
Who fi do it like night, just ask me go. None can't stop me, making money every day like taxi. Y'all around me don't stop my bitch.